Hey guys, this is Trainman Ray here, and we have a train coming. There's our crossing gate. And listen to this horn. He's a-moving. He's a-moving. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah! Engines. I didn't catch the numbers though. I'm hoping this is going to have a DPU on it. This train's flying! I love this! I think we got the end coming. Here it is! On the draw. There's the end. No DPU. Get the crossing gates going up. Alright guys, that was our speedy train. Could still hear him roar. Alright guys, Trainman Ray is signing out. Stay awesome until next time.